Today in this video I show you how to fix WhatsApp notification not showing on home screen status bar in Android. For this you can try the methods that I am going to show you in this video. Let's start with first method. In first method you have to make sure that some settings are turned off. Open notification panel. Now if your flight mode is turned on, then you have to turn it off. You can also check out do not disturb. If this option is enabled, then you have to disable it. Now second method is WhatsApp notifications. Open settings. Now you have to click on notification. Open app notifications. Scroll down to find WhatsApp. Now you have to click on this toggle to allow your WhatsApp notification. You can also open it and make sure that these options are selected. Now you have to click on configure in WhatsApp. This will redirect you to your WhatsApp app notifications. You can also open these notifications by opening settings in WhatsApp. Now make sure all these toggles are turned on. If your problem still not fixed yet, then you can try to reinstall your WhatsApp app and also try to restart your device. So by these methods, you can fix WhatsApp notification not showing on home screen status bar in Android. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.